Ready for the next bull run? Today we're talking about 7 game-changing cryptocurrencies that you need to watch before the market takes off, specifically the ISO 20022 compatible tokens. Let's dive in. Okay, so first off, ISO 20022 might sound complex, but it's a global language for financial messages that banks everywhere are using. Its main goal is to make payments better and higher quality. This standard is going to be used for important payments by 2025, and over 70+ countries are already using it. But it's not only for fiat currency, it's also important for crypto. If you're an investor, keep a close eye on this. So you might be wondering, what does ISO 20022 have to do with crypto? Well, it's mainly for financial institutions, but its impact on crypto is slowly growing as more banks consider using digital currencies. Ripple's involvement in ISO 20022 is a game changer, potentially paving the way for wider acceptance of cryptocurrencies as they work towards a new payment data standard. This integration also signals blockchain's power to enhance cross-border payments and information sharing, possibly replacing current systems in the future. Now, the burning question. Are ISO 20022 compliant coins a smart investment? Some cryptocurrencies are already jumping on the ISO bandwagon to improve interoperability and support integration with traditional financial systems. As we know, every investment comes with risks, but these coins could offer you a front-row seat to witness the evolution of the financial landscape and the biggest fiat to crypto wealth transfer in history. Okay, so now let's look at these 7 ISO-compliant coins. And of course, aside from investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum, you're definitely going to want to watch these closely. First, we have the king, Ripple. The XRP ledger is an open-source, permissionless and decentralized technology designed for rapid, cost-effective cross-border transactions, acting as a bridge between different currencies and networks. It can settle transactions in 3 to 5 seconds and complete about 1,500 transactions per second. It's a global payment network and has also onboarded many major banks and financial services as its customers. The purpose of XRP is to serve as an intermediate medium of exchange between 2 currencies or networks, acting as a temporary settlement layer denomination. It acts as a bridge currency to other currencies, primarily for cross-border and international transfers. The XRP ledger also features the first DEX and custom tokenization capabilities built into the protocol. And as we already mentioned briefly, Ripple has already publicly announced they are part of the ISO 20022 standard body. Stellar. Stellar's decentralized network helps global financial transfers by moving money quickly, reliably, and without costing too much. Stellar is a peer-to-peer decentralized network with the purpose of connecting the world's financial systems and ensuring a protocol for payment providers and financial institutions. It links individuals, banks, and payment processors and offers its users the ability to create, send, and trade multiple types of crypto. The basis of the network is its native currency, XLM or lumens. The Stellar protocol works by converting the transaction, first into XLM and then into the requested currency. It also acts as an intermediate currency for operations and is also used to pay transaction fees. Hedera. hbar's groundbreaking hashgraph technology ensures efficient transaction processing and empowers decentralized applications. hbar is the most used, sustainable, enterprise-grade public network for the decentralized economy that allows individuals and businesses to create powerful decentralized applications. hbar's hashgraph's most unique feature is its mechanism used for grouping transactions. It's claimed that this allows it to process more transactions more cheaply than existing blockchains. The hashgraph is a patented algorithm and is currently the only cryptocurrency with such a patent. And the hashgraph is the first iteration of the algorithm that is used in a public network. Next, we have Quant. Quant's mission is to connect global blockchains and networks, boosting efficiency and interoperability to new heights. Quant is considered the overledger, with the goal of connecting blockchains and networks on a global scale, without reducing the efficiency and interoperability of the network. With its overledger technology, it's slated as one of the key components to this system and the interoperability between other cryptocurrencies. Quant is the first blockchain project to solve the interoperability problem through the creation of the first blockchain operating system, and will be a key component of the interconnectivity of all other cryptocurrencies within this network. Algorand. Algorand's proof-of-stake mechanism ensures swift, scalable transactions, positioning it as a formidable player in the crypto landscape. Algorand is considered both a digital currency and blockchain platform. This project has also been labelled the Ethereum killer, as it can host other cryptocurrencies and blockchain-based projects like Ethereum. It's designed to process high-volume transactions quickly, similar to popular payment processors like MasterCard and Visa. It also uses a modified version of proof-of-stake. The traditional proof-of-stake method allows crypto holders to opt into validating transactions, and the pure proof-of-stake method recruits validators from the entire pool of algo holders. All algo holders who stake their algo are rewarded every time a new block is added to the algorand blockchain. XDC network. XDC, formerly XinFin, stands out with lightning-fast, low-cost transactions and compatibility with smart contracts. XDC is like a super high-tech tool made for big companies to work together across countries, share information securely, and do money-related things really efficiently. It can do things like keep track of money, like when companies need to pay each other across borders or do important financial stuff, and can work with both publicly and privately. It's also really good at making smart contracts. XDC is a highly optimized fork of Ethereum and JP Morgan's consensus or quorum. It works by using a special way of agreeing called delegated proof of stake, which makes it very fast. Transactions happen really quickly, like in just 2 seconds, and there are almost no fees, plus it can handle doing over 2,000 transactions per second. Iota. Iota's Tangle technology introduces a unique consensus algorithm, promising scalability and zero transaction fees. Iota is a distributed ledger with one big difference. It isn't actually a blockchain. Instead, its proprietary technology is known as Tangle, a system of nodes that confirm transactions. Tangle requires users to validate 2 transactions. It's sort of a special way of keeping track of the transactions, like making sure everyone agrees on what's happening. Technically, it is a direct acyclic graph consensus algorithm. And this is why Tangle doesn't need miners or validators, or blocks and no transaction fees. It helps Iota be faster and handle more transactions without extra fees, making it different from regular blockchains, so there are no cost and scalability issues. Our spotlight on these ISO 20022 compliant tokens underscores their potential to reshape transactions and value exchange. These tokens offer a unique lens into the future of financial innovation, bridging traditional finance with the world of crypto. The interesting thing is so many people, from crypto veterans to others who are new in the space, are predicting XRP to eventually be at the level of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if that happens, these other tokens could very well follow a similar trend. So keeping an eye on ISO developments could be your golden ticket to staying ahead of the curve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing for more content from the world of crypto and AI. Let us know in the comments which one of these tokens you're the most bullish on. From the team here at Devloft, stay curious and keep exploring.